What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's about technoboy, and there you can see that's a mini Class D amplifier, PAM 8403, and it's a complete board with a good size capacitor and a volume control. And this thing has a on-off switch too. Let me show you. You can hear the noise, so that's a very nice thing. It's a mini kit with volume control and capacitor, so we just need to connect all the speaker wires, power supply and input. That's it. So it's all connected now. Here you can see that's the USB and that's a 3.5mm jack, and it's connected. And now the best part is I have connected these two tower speakers. You have seen in the previous video, they are like mini tower speakers but with very good wattage. Like this thing has one 4-inch woofer mounted on the side and one 3-inch woofer at the front and one dome tweeter, and they are like 20 watt each. So I mean each speaker, so two of them make 40 watt on this side and 40 watt on this side, left side. So this thing is just 3 plus 3 watt, like 6 watt RMS in total, and these are like 40 plus 40, 80 watt RMS. So now we're gonna see if this thing, if this tiny mini kit, you can see is the size of my thumb, this can drive this two good size speaker. You can see the speaker wires are connected. So we're gonna see that if this thing can drive those speakers, and how good or bad or whatever we're gonna see. So play the songs and turn this thing on. So about the sound, they're very good, loud enough and good bass, but the sound is not that much of a clear. I can hear just a little bit of distortion. I don't know if you can hear it, but the sound is very good. You can use this with not a 4-inch woofer, that wouldn't be a good idea, but you can use it with 3-inch woofer or even 3-inch woofer. You can use that. And also this thing has 8 ohms of impedance, and you can give this to, and you can, and this thing requires 4 ohms of impedance, so this thing is like huge for this kit, but still they are working good bass and they're loud enough. So let's check some other songs. So that's it. It's a very good mini amplifier, but you cannot use it with 4-inch woofer. A 3-inch would be good and loud enough. So that's it. That was the testing video of this mini Class D amplifier with large speaker. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.